have my cup of chrysanthemum tea, and I'm ready to open my mail. The package. How stinking cute is this? I got this at Bulk Barn before quarantine. So I thought I'd share it with you. Super cute. Isn't it? Little bunny butts and little bunny friends. We're going to have some fun. Come back and see what we create with these. I think they're good for year round. I've got so many Easter ideas that we're just going to put them in the spring or year round at Gentle Rabbitry kind of creations. All right, so come back on Wednesday for the musical and on Saturday for the chatty version of creating with these. And I have a really, really fun idea because it's a front and a back, or a 1 and a 2. So I hope that you come back and see what I make with this. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe, and come on back to my Soapy Kitchen anytime. Bye for now, and remember to live life with a little spice. Make something wonderful that makes you feel good today, or do something safe that is makes you feel special, because you all are very special in your own ways. See you next time. Bye for now.